three, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. It was highly requested that I do a plan with me / bullet journal with me, and that is exactly what I am doing. I am planning my month of September and showing you guys how I plan my YouTube content and how I stay on track of my assignments and college things like that. So I really hope you enjoy this video. I am using a happy planner, if anyone was wondering. I never really decorate my months, but I was trying something new. It's not my favorite thing ever, but it's okay because I was just trying it out. I really liked the idea of this. I thought it was super creative, but it eventually went downhill. It just didn't happen the way that I imagined it in my head, but overall I really liked the idea. This is kind of where I feel it went wrong. I feel like the September got washed out with all the color and all the extraness I was doing. So I just feel like you can barely see the September, but overall I did like the idea of it. This is me drawing a mini calendar. I'm super sorry about this angle. It was my first time filming a video like this, and clearly I didn't do that great. So I'm sorry about that. This is the start of my calendar spread. I had to do short strokes because I was so afraid that I was going to mess up, but the lines, they just aren't perfect anyways because I didn't use a ruler, so. Okay, so this is like the basic setup that I'm going for. I put on my color coding for my classes, so I need to know when things are due throughout the month and when my quizzes are and stuff like that. And then I have YouTube, when I need to post my YouTube videos, and personal is just like things for like appointments and stuff like that. And I need to fill in everything else. Okay, so here we have my September calendar spread. With my color coding, I filled in my history assignments, my YouTube posting schedule, my Spanish, and personal. So most of my Spanish assignments are due on Wednesdays, and histories is due on Sundays, and then critical thinking, I haven't got the full schedule for that, so there's not a lot of that on here. And there wasn't a lot I have planned so far, so I didn't want it to be super blank, so I added some stickers, and I think it adds a really nice touch to it. I like the whole color scheme that's going. So this is my September calendar. My YouTube posting schedule, which is super slanted the way I wrote that, but you know, whatever. So I'm actually gonna plan on posting Fridays and Mondays because I think that'd be better posting days rather than Wednesday and Sundays. And then I put Wednesday as for maybe. And I usually write the video I'm doing on the sticky note, but I still need to plan out videos for September, so that's blank for right now. Our first September week spread. I usually don't do weekly spreads, but I'm actually pretty into them right now. So I just wrote this little calendar up here, and then the days of the week, and then a little to-do list. If I have things to do throughout the week, I can write it there. I don't know if I'll keep doing this, but I really like the way it looks. our mood tracker. I usually don't do mood trackers either, but I really like the way it came out. It's super cute. These are like little squigglies. I don't know what they are. They kind of look like chicken nuggets. Green is happy. This little teal blue is content. Gray is like annoyed. This kind of periwinkle blue is sad. Purple is like sleepy or lazy, and then orange is mad, having a bad day. So